Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat through the forest green. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Row, row, row your boat by the river wide. If you spot a friendly bear, give him a ride. Row, row, row your boat on a sunny day. If you see a rainbow bright, dance and sing hooray. Row, row, row your boat past the mountain high. If you meet a silly frog, let out a joyful cry. Row, row, row your boat in the cool blue sea. If you see a dolphin jump, clap your hands with glee. Row, row, row your boat as the sun goes down. If you see the stars come out, spin around and clown. Row, row, row your boat in the evening glow. If you hear the crickets sing, join them in a show. Row, row, row your boat underneath the moon. If you hear a lullaby, sway to the tune. Row, row, row your boat through the fields of gold. If you find a treasure chest, open it and be bold. Row, row, row your boat on a calm, clear lake. If you see a swan glide by, wave and say how great. Row, row, row your boat with your friends so dear. If you sing a happy song, let everyone hear. Row, row, row your boat where the waters flow. If you see the flowers bloom, stop and swim, it's late. Row, row, row your boat in a world of dreams. If you see a castle bright, join the royal teams. Row, row, row your boat with a splash and cheer. If you find a pirate ship, sail away with fear. Row, row, row your boat on a journey bold. If you find a wizard's wand, wave it and behold. Row, row, row your boat in the golden sun. If you see a happy face, join in for some fun. Row, row, row your boat across the sparkling sea. If you see a treasure map, follow it with glee. Row, row, row your boat through the snowy land. If you see a snowman smile, wave your little hand. Row, row, row your boat on a starlit night. If you wish upon a star, everything feels right. Row, row, row your boat with a joyful heart. If you feel the love around, that's the perfect start.
Whimsical Minds.